I'm Beth DeMayo, owner of Helium Hair, and I've only done one half of my hair, so you can see the amount of volume you can get using just 3 products and a little technique. I'm going to start with damp hair, and we are going to put layer 1 into the hair first. It's called a foundation product, and you build on top of it. It has resins in it, and the resins actually work to create more of like a pine needle effect on the hair to make the hair actually feel and look thicker. It is heat activated, so you want to make sure that you're using heat to style. Second step is mousse. This is actually an alcohol-free mousse. This will give definition, volume, and hold all at once. See, there is a small tamper-resistant seal right here. On your first application, depress that just a little bit harder to break that seal. It is alcohol-free, but it is volumizing as well. You can see a little bit goes a very long way. It does not fall apart. It does not dissipate. It has a lot of last. Work this not only on top of the hair, but through and up into the hair, away from the scalp. Remember, we're trying to achieve volume here. I'm going to be using my blow dry brush from Helium, of course, and I'm just gonna be using this just to get the hair to about 80–90% dry. Getting the hair up and away from the scalp, we're kind of trying to train it that way. So as that hair dries and the product dries, it's already creating that lift and that volume. Great part about this brush also is the oval shape, because it's automatically going to lift that hair so much higher off of the scalp. If you are using just a traditional blow dryer, you could be using either a round brush or just a detangling brush as well. It's really about technique here. So make sure however you're drying it, you're pulling it up and away from the scalp. I'm actually gonna divide my hair into 3 sections. I'm gonna have the bottom, the middle, and then the top as I continue on the final blow dry. This side that I'm not styling, and I'm just gonna work this down, where this side here, I'm gonna work up and away, just so you can see the difference. Our products are designed for customers who have fine and thin hair, because the products are virtually weightless and water soluble. You can finally get that volume, that height, that hold that you want without having your hair weighed down, feeling greasy, and just not happy with your look. Dry the top, I'm gonna dry it in 3 sections. This over here for volume, this over here normal with no technique. Back, I'm actually gonna blow dry straight back so I get a little height, a little bump back there. We're actually gonna blow dry it in the opposite direction, because again, we're creating that lift and that directional volume right here. So as it dries, we'll get that hold. So when we flip it back over, we've got not only extra height, but extra hold as well. Wow. I haven't even gotten to the best part yet. Here is our secret weapon. Fiberflex is actually a gel base in an aerosol spray. It dries, it actually creates these fibrous webs. You can see just how sticky that is. And if you look closely, you'll see those fibrous webs appear. I'm going to go section by section. And you can see this is about a 1-inch section here. And I'm going to lay it to the other side. Why is this girl telling me she is the expert on how to get volume? I not only own Helium Hair, but I am my own best customer with fine hair myself. All of our products are virtually weightless, water soluble, woman owned, made in the USA, PETA certified, Sleeping Bunny certified, humidity resistant. Everything is 100% water soluble. It's important to me that you get products that not only say what they do, but do what they say. And flip all of these back over. So I don't have to tell you much. This volume speaks for itself. We have lift, we have hold, but it's still soft, it's still touchable. I can run my hands right through it. What a difference just a little bit of product and some technique make. I hope you get a chance to recreate this style. Share it with us online using hashtag #HeliumHair, and of course, I'm gonna give you a discount. Just click below and visit our website for more.